I thought I'd talk about a recipe that I'm gonna try soon. I'll probably have to tweak it a little bit, or may have to, but it's called hoover stew. It was popular during the Great Depression. And actually, I think Mom used to make this back in the 70s and 80s. I was born in the late 70s, so I think I remember her fixing in the mid-80s, and I could ask my sister about before then. But anyway, it's a 1 16-ounce box of elbow macaroni, or any pasta, or any mix of them that will cook at approximately the same time as elbow macaroni. So like macaroni shells, rotini. You could probably, in a pinch, use spaghetti noodles even, although I don't think it tastes great. But, you know, if you're starving, you don't care, you know what I'm saying. 2 16-ounce cans of stewed tomatoes or whole tomatoes. And I'll go ahead and say it, any kind of tomatoes you want to use, I would imagine would be okay. And 1 16-ounce package of hot dogs, and 1 16-ounce can of corn. And you could either replace the corn with beans, or go ahead and add corn and a can of beans also. That just ups the protein a little bit. It's not very expensive to make, but one of the reasons why it was so popular during the Great Depression and other rough times in American history. If I'm gonna try it out here soon, I think, and give a review of what I thought. But if you've ever heard of it or ever tried it, leave a comment down below. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and bye.